to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We don't believe the movie, just we're gonna dance like a roof on fire. We gonna drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like a roof on fire. Nigga, take off all your clothes and you're like a roof on fire. Tell them that way.